So this is a 3-phase AC motor. And first, you need to connect it in a delta connection. So how you do that, you just connect these pins across each other. This is our delta connection. Yeah, this is the schematic for the control circuit. So this is our motor connector. We're using a contactor, a breaker. This is our control circuit. This is our 3-phase AC motor and delta connection. So first, we need to get power to our breaker to energize the circuit. So we need 24 volts. So you can see right here, 24 volts is connected right here. So we can either use this pin or this pin. So we're gonna get 24 volts right here. That's it. And then from our breaker, we're gonna go straight to S2, to the normally closed side, and connect the neutral side of the breaker to 21 of S2. And then from S2, we're gonna power S1. So from S2, we're gonna power S1 right here. So from S2, we're gonna power to the contactor right here. So we need from S2 right here. 22. We're gonna power 13 on the contactor. The pin number right here, 13. So we power that right there. 13 on the contactor. So we connect those two already. We need to connect 43 from S2 also. So another lead right here. 43 right here. One. Connect 43. So from P2 now, this is P2, this is P3. So from P3, 44 of the contactor point is connected to P3 right here. So this is P3. Connect right there. From the contact point of 22, and the contactor 22 is connected to P2 right here. Next, from 22, from 21 on the contact point, which is right here, is also connected to 22 and switch 2. And then all of that connected to P2 and connected to P3. So on the contact point now, we need this is A1, this is A2, and A1 is connected to pin 14 of the power circuit to A1 of the contactor. And then from A2 is connected straight to neutral. So right here, straight to neutral. And then we need to latch it now. So we need to latch it so when you start the circuit, this stay latch. So the contact can be energized and the contact stay latch. So even when power is off, the motor is moved. So we need to latch 14 to A1. And A1 is already connected. A1 is already connected to switch 1, 14. So we can, instead of bring it over here, we can just latch it right here. And that's it. Yeah, so after all of that connection now it's time to test it to see if it actually latch. So first we need to power on the breaker, energize the circuit, and then we press start. So yeah, it is latch. This is latch. This is what it would look like if it did not latch. So if we remove these two connections, energize the circuit, and start the circuit, it would just chip in and chip out. So this is what would happen if we don't latch. Right here, right here. This is what would happen when you energize the circuit and you press start. You have to hold the button. The moment you release, it will stop. So connecting this to the motor now. So after you press the button, the motor will be spinning, but you would have to hold the button. So now this is the circuit to power the motor. This is a motor circuit. So now we're gonna power the motor. First we need power into this 3-pole. So this is our power. So yeah. And then from our breaker, straight to our contactor. So L3 is straight to pin 3 on the contactor. L2, pin 2 on the contactor. Same thing as line 1 to L1 on the contactor. So after all of that connection to the motor now, energize our circuit, make our latch, start our motor. That's our motor in operation. So you see, so back to what I was saying. If we did a latch right here, this is what would happen. So after we power on our breaker and turn on this, we then have to hold this. The moment you let go, the breaker will stop running. So then have to hold this in order for the motor to keep running. But now we latch it. Now we latch this. Now we latch this and energize back our circuit. There's no need to hold it, because the motor is continuing. And whenever you want to stop it, just press the stop button. And that's it. That's our motor in operation right here. Start again. Start again. And that's it.